How can you screen record on your Android phone but without the background sound? Let me explain it. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get into it. So if you go to the control center and swipe down one more time like this, you should be able to find the screen recorder toggle. If not, just swipe through it or edit the toggles and you should be able to find it like I do in here. But the point is that once I click on it, it asks me some additional things about the screen recorder. So it asks me most importantly about the sound, and there are three options. None means that the video will be captured only, absolutely no sound will be part of that, which is a viable option for a lot of people. Then we have just the media, which means that the internal sound will be played. For example, if you play a game or, there is some sounds within or inside of the phone, those might be captured in here. And you also have the media and a mic, which means that everything will be captured. So not only the internal sounds of the phone, but also what you speak over it or whatever the phone captures. So that's the important part. Make sure that you only select media or none before you start the recording like this. You can see we have the countdown and we can now edit or do whatever we want, and the video is being captured. So that's something you can do. That's gonna be the screen record without any background sound at all. And once you hit it done, you can see that in the gallery, once it loads up, the video from today literally has no audio. I cannot enable it or disable it. It just it's just no audio altogether. So that's what you can definitely do. Let me know in the comments below if that's what you are looking for. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the upcoming videos and guides like this one.